Hello everyone, I'm Marva and welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. In today's video, among other things, you're going to see me doing some weeding. Weeding is a very important part of garden care, and I'm going to be using two tools in particular. Let's take a look at each one. The first tool is this one. It's a garden hoe, and this one is used for weeding. It's very effective. A garden hoe. The second tool is this one. I call it a weed whacker. Some people call it weed eater. This is also very effective. This one is used mostly around trees and areas where your lawnmower cannot get to. So these are the two major tools I'll be using today for weeding. So come join me, stay with me. And if you have not yet subscribed, would you consider doing so? Thank you in advance. Now, the garden hoe is very effective, especially in the pineapple beds between the leaves. As you know, the leaves are very prickly, and so it's not easy to reach between them. The garden hoe, you can just simply put it there and get the weeds. So what am I going to do with these weeds when I'm finished? These weeds are going to go into a compost bed that I have started. I'll show you in a little while. It's a, not really, it's a mulch. It's a mulch bed. It's a mulch bed made up of grass clippings, tree clippings, and these weeds, things of that nature. And there's one more tool I should have showed you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I have seen this tool that I've often used, a weed grabber. Yeah, sometimes when I can't reach, I just put it in here, get to the root of it, turn it, and grab the root, grab the weed like this. are called dollar weeds. Dollar weeds are very prolific. They'll take over your entire garden. Now this is the Swiss chard and the okra bed, and it also needs weeding out. So that's what I'm going to do too. And right there is the bucket that had the cucumbers. It has done its job. It gave us 1 dozen cucumbers. I'm going to use that bucket to plant some callaloo. All right. I'll put the weeds and everything else. Let me take it to the. Oh, I feel drops of rain. So it means I'm going to have to stop. So let me take this to the mulch section. See that pile over there? Yeah, that's the mulch. And that's where I'll throw this. And I feel raindrops, so this is where I'm going to stop for today. So that's how we do the weeding. All right, next time possibly tomorrow, God's willing, I'll continue. ladies and gentlemen, so this is what it looks like after the weeding is completed in this area of the garden. Thank you so much for staying with me up to this point of the video. And I thank you as always for your support. I hope you learned something from this video, and also that weeding is a very important part of garden care. Come back next time and see what's happening in the garden.